Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Forthcoming. Forthcoming means about to happen or appear. For example, the forthcoming baseball season. The forthcoming baseball season. Synonyms: imminent, impending, coming.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. She will perform with Opera Ireland during their forthcoming spring season. Now, repeat after me. She will perform with Opera Ireland during their forthcoming spring season. The second exemplar. The FBI is currently investigating, and thus far no announcements appear forthcoming. Now, repeat after me. The FBI is currently investigating, and thus far no announcements appear forthcoming. The third exemplar. Some of John Greening's poetry will be appearing in forthcoming issues of Quadrant. Now, repeat after me. Some of John Greening's poetry will be appearing in forthcoming issues of Quadrant.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
25% of the world's population speaks at least some English.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.